Yeah, it's around 400 meters. Is Seminyak Beach. Yeah, today I will make video on Camplung Tanduk area. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Camplung Tanduk Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Seminyak Bali on Camplung Tanduk Street. And overview today start from exactly at the front courtyard by Marriott. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Drupadi Street, and this is courtyard by Marriott. Yeah, I will make video start from the east part at Camplung Tanduk area until to the west, from the west part until the east part. Let me show you how busy Seminyak Bali today. Yes, courtyard by Marriott is big hotel, and they are just nearby Seminyak Beach, walking distance around 5 minutes by walk. Wow, busy. Hello. Busy, isn't it? Future is over here. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Camplung Tanduk Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Yeah, we all together, we will see a lot of tourists in Seminyak Bali today. Hello, you see left side? Yeah. They are just been shopping. Let's cross the street. Let's make video other side. Actually, to stay in this area also recommended because just walking distance to the beach, and we have so many nice restaurants around here, and also sport bar. Wow, future is over there. It's good. It's quite busy, isn't it? Hello, Carla Spa. All the beautiful girl here. Beautiful therapist. Makasih Mbak. Yeah, Carla Spa is, we have some area we have Carla Spa. Wow. So beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's keep continue walking on Dianapura or Camplung Tanduk, and this is Seminyak Paradiso, Magroima, and Davido will stay over there. And this is Amber Moon. Hello, Amber Moon Warung. I've been here with my grandma. Really? Having lunch, yeah. I've been here. Makasih Pak ya. Yeah, my grandma. Do you remember that? Amber Moon. Okay, let's keep continue walking. On Camplung Tanduk Street. You see, futurists, they are driving motorbike. It's good. shisha. The big shisha in Seminyak Bali at Camplung Tanduk, right? That's good. At the restaurant, wow, futurist over there. It's good. Early dinner. That's good. Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. Well, across the street, futurist over there. That's good. Okay guys, let's keep continue walking on Camplung Tanduk or Dianapura Street. Right side. Wow. Beautiful girl over there. Not really busy yet. But we hope together, step by step in this area will be better and better. And more tourists come to this area. Usually in the afternoon, during the sunset time, a lot of tourists in this area. They will go to the beach to see sunset down. Wow, lucky day. A lot of tourists inside, that's good. Busy, busy, busy. Wow, nice. Busy, isn't it? They're watching soccer. Hello, how are you? Big group, big group. I hope this video will give you an information about the update fashion at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Camplung Tanduk Street. Also futurists over there at the right side. It's good, isn't it? Not so bad. If I go over there, there is a lot of villa over there. Not really busy, but the weather is so beautiful. Breeze is clear, but windy. Windy is made cooler. There's no problem. This is Bali Joe. We have gay bar, and I was busy at the night time. Usually at the night time, it's always busy here. Okay, let's cross the street and let's see other side. We have Republic yogurt over there. Not so busy yet. Even in the restaurant. Wow. Maybe they are going to the beach to see the sunset, because sunset will coming down in 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. You see, left side? Same, left side, same. Future is over there, same. Yeah, confirm in this area, not really busy. But maybe over there, because we have a restaurant, famous restaurant, just around here, maybe busy over there. They are preparing. I think they will make a spa, look like. Wow, at the restaurant, so empty, unbelievable. Italian way. Yeah, some loud music. Wow, it's quite busy here. Sport bar. Galaxy Sport Bar. It's quite busy over there. It's good. Whoa. A lot of tourists, they're watching soccer. Left and right, there is a lot of villa over there. Yeah. Ila, pamasokin ko ya. Okay, let me show you how they have like
Lucky Pet Shop promosi.
yeah, dinay. Kabalam mo. Maturo man.
Turo ba?
Yeah. Let me show you this sport bar. Oh, sorry. They're selling shoe and everything. Everything here. They have everything. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. At Camplung Tanduk, you can find the shop over there. It's good. Fox, rabbit, and rabbit. Fox and rabbit. Yeah, finally we already made video in this area and confirm, not really busy. Very sad, isn't it? Another 200 meters is Raya Seminyak Street. Halo. Masih sepi Mbak ya? Masih sepi ya? Nggak apa-apa, sudah aja. Yeah, he said like not really busy yet because the dinner is coming soon about 10 p.m. 7 p.m. They're waiting for dinner. Yeah, lunch time is done. Dinner time is coming soon. Oke, Mbak, makasih Mbak ya. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Seminyak Bali on Camplung Tanduk Street. So what do you think? Not really busy, isn't it? Very sad. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video because there's so people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Camplung Tanduk Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching our video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow. Confirm, not really busy. Really sad. Yeah, a lot of villa over there. Masuk pakai.
Ada Pak.
Sampai ke ya.
Dia.
Yeah, you can get SIM card here
Ah.
on Camplung Tanduk. You can get fucking good price here.
YouTube kan?
Huh?
Moses yang jaga. Moses di sini.
Moses, find him. You get better price.
Better price. No bullshit price ya.
No bullshit price. Okay, yeah. Okay. Finally, we already make video in this area. Welcome to Bali. Not busy yet, but busy soon.